All right, what's up, everybody? What we're about to do real quick is go over how to find penny stocks to trade or just stocks in general. Real quick and easy. In a few minutes, shouldn't take me long at all. And we're gonna show a live example of one of my trades that I took today. So I can show you I actually do what I'm showing, and I'm not just a theorist. I actually practice what I preach. So first thing we do is we're gonna pull up Thinkorswim, this Thinkorswim platform that you're looking at. And let's see. First thing you need to do is hit this little tab button right here. That's gonna make this pop out. You're gonna get to put an extra chart and it's gonna say quick chart. Boom, type in any symbol you want. And if you go down, you can have a watch list right here. As you can see, I already have um, a watch list pulled up. You'll hit this tab here, go to personal. I already have one. I titled mine penny stocks for day trading. Boom. Then up here is real simple. The other watch list, boom, pull up top 10, 10% NASDAQ gain. NASDAQ is the strongest. I'm only looking to buy stocks right now. So this is the simple format. All you would do is pull that up, make that one be first, link that one with this chart by hitting um, the red number one, clicking that button right there, making sure these two match up. So now anytime you click a chart right here, boom, you see that one, my main chart is gonna change. So the first thing is top 10% NASDAQ gain, and it's gonna update throughout the day. And you'll just flip through these. I trade off a 1 minute chart. So boom, we'll look at the 1 minute chart. If you see what you like, boom, I already seen. I was watching this one today. Boom, once this broke out, I was looking for that pull back here. But anyways, boom, this will show you about 10 stocks. Just go through these. I like to see volume. I sort mine by volume. Now you can hit settings, and once you hit settings, that would allow you to customize this right here, your net change, volume, percent change. You get to put anything you want right there, as you can see. But that's all I like to see. I just want to see volume and percent change and net change pretty much. Now, um, I want to put the highest volume at the top just because if it's a top 10% NASDAQ gain, I already know it's going up. So I know enough to know that I don't need to see how much it's up. I just want to see the volume to see if it's getting heavily traded. If it is, 9 times out of 10, it's going to be a good stock to trade. So, not saying you just buy it, but it's a good stock if 29 million people or 29 million shares have been traded. So that's the first thing. Then the second is what you will want to do is create your own scanner, and you will do that by going over to this tab right here on the Thinkorswim platform. Let me move my face down. So go to scan right here, boom, and I got a simple scanner. All I want to see is the price. Is the minimum is $1, the maximum is $20. I don't really want to see anything over that. The volume minimum, at least a minimum of 1 million shares have been traded, and percent change. So I want to see stocks that's going up. So I got percent change above 5%, and then I also added a study of unusual volume. So its current bars volume increased at least 20% from its typical average over 50 periods. So this is basically pulls up all the stocks that are moving for me. What I like to see is a real basic scan, and boom, as you can see, it pulls up a bunch. Bottom left, it pulls up a bunch of them, and I got two right here and two right here on my quick chart. So that means anytime I click right here, it's gonna update this chart. That way I can watch two at a time. So now, when you get this scanner, you can save it, and you see where it says save its watch list. You'll just save it, or you can go alert when. alert when scan results change. That means it'll update you throughout the day. You want to make sure that's on. So when new stocks get added to the day, as they will, you'll know about them. You'll be the first one to know about them. So boom, real simple, right? That's all you gotta do. That's all I do, and I'm gonna show you how effective that is. I took a trade off of this today, just using this simple scanner in KC. Let's go over this one. Boom. As you can see, boom. I like to see that gap up. We got the gap up right here in KC. Let me zoom in a little bit more. Make that go down. Boom. Got the gap up. I like to see price hold above that 50 or try to break it, come back and reclaim it. And I want to see high volume to the upside. Boom, got that high volume to the upside. And then we coiled in this area right here and look at volume. It dropped off and it broke out. Boom. I used to take the breakout, but their win rate is real low. So I stopped. Now I take the pullback and I just wait. So boom, price broke out, pulled back to the level that it broke out from. Volume tightened up again, and we held above the 50. Boom, broke above the 8. I was in on a tick above that candle, and I got in. Risked 20 cents to make 40, and price came all the way up to what was that 363. Came within the tick of my TP and went back down. So I'm holding this overnight because we back to my entry point. But that just shows that I actually do what I say I do. All right, so that's a simple introduction video on how I find penny stocks to trade. And if you like that content, like and subscribe and stay tuned. And I'll see y'all on the next video.